I'm Candice Horton reporting for the Jamaica Observer. Following the new COVID-19 restrictions announced by Prime Minister Andrew Holness, people are stocking up on groceries for the coming days. Now, we stopped at Sampa's supermarket to speak with the public.
Okay, my name is Judith Johnson and I'm the store manager for Sampa's Crossroads. It's been very busy from morning. It's crazy, right? We opened the store to the public like 8:30 and it's non-stop. If you notice, we have to close the door when the store is filled, and then when that set run off, we bring in another set of customers.
Well, it's chaotic looking at the long lines and the time that it takes to get into the store. It's crazy, and knowing that it was a sudden action, it was all of a sudden the decision was made. It's crazy. Everyone is trying to stock up on grocery and stuff. So I think in the long run it will pay off, but currently it's not a good decision.
How long you waited in the line outside?
Well, I would say between 20 and 45 minutes. And that's crazy just to get in. Just imagine those who are actually busy now, eventually the cut-off time, they won't make it.
Well, a normal shopping for me, you know. So me every Friday, normally on a Saturday, I shop. But the announcement and the rush, I just come here today based upon personally me and leave now. So I just a shop today.
Yes.
Yeah, because the rush, maybe more tomorrow. You understand? So that's it.
Well, it is going well, you know, but this is my normal shopping day, so it doesn't come away to me because I normally put away something that for a rainy day. That means I can balance myself.
What's the maximum capacity that your store can hold?
To be honest, it can hold a whole lot, maybe over 1,000 customers at any given time, but based on the pandemic, we have to cut it. We have to look at the front end, all the cashiers are set and all the customers are shopping and checking out, and then we close the doors based on that.
What are people buying mostly that you've observed?
They're buying water, basic food items like flour, canned meats and so forth.
And you believe that it's because of the announcement that there are so many people rushing?
Yes, it's because of the announcement why they're rushing to shop. And we're going to open to the public tomorrow at 7 a.m. in the morning until about 4.